रीडिंग ये वाला पढ़ते हैं पहले। पोर्टफोलियो स्ट्रेटेजी इंडिया इनकॉर्पोरेटिव अर्निंग डिपेंड्स ऑन ग्लोबल ग्रोथ। देखते हैं क्या है। अच्छी लग रही है न्यूज़। पूरा तो आएगा नहीं, पूरा से महीने में एक ही दिन आता है, उससे 4 ठो न्यूज़ बस। देयर इज अ रिस्क टू अरे क्या पता, ऐसा कॉपी लगा। देयर इज अ रिस्क टू sustenance of DII flows itself as they lag rather than lead market movements. Weak 1 year trailing returns could be meaningful deterrents for domestic investors, the report said. Or an overall improvement in India incorporative earning reports card depends on how events at the global level shape up amid tepid domestic demand, suggest a recent note by Nuvama Institutional Equities authored by Pratik Parekh. Sugar stocks soar. बलरामपुर राजश्री जूम अप टू 20%. शुगर ठंडी के मौसम में, ठंडी का मौसम आने वाला है, उसमें शुगर महंगा हो रहा है, तब स्टॉक बढ़ रहे हैं. Why sugar stocks are sweetening? The government has allowed sugar mills, distilleries to make ethanol from sugarcane juice, syrup, and all types of molasses without any restriction on volumes in ethanol supply year ESY 2025-26. Sugar companies share price today. Shares of sugar manufacturers jump up to 20% on the BSE. in Tuesday इंट्राडे ट्रेड. ट्यूसडे नहीं, आज ट्यूसडे है, 2 तारीख है. इंडिया CEO कॉटियस अबाउट प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टमेंट रिवाइवल. तो सही पढ़ लेते हैं. अपर सर्किट टाटा टेली N50 निफ्टी FMCG moved by 1%. You have 43% exposure to this sector with Heritage Food Limited and AWL Agri Business Limited. Yeah. A small stock, big move. The micro cap stock hit 20% upper circuit. JSW. India sends aid after Afghan quake. On Monday morning, यानी आज ट्यूसडे यानी कल, Monday morning, a strong earthquake of magnitude 6.3 on the Richter scale struck Afghanistan, with tremors felt across the region, including parts of Pakistan. Following a series of earthquakes that struck eastern Afghanistan, killing over 800 people and injuring पर 800 पीपल चले गए अर्थक्वेक में. India has extended urgent humanitarian assistance to support relief efforts in the region. In a post on X on Monday, the Ministry of External Affairs stated, India can extend humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan in flood threat as Yamuna swells. Delhi on flood alert. Officials expect the Yamuna water to rise to about 206 meters by evening, driven by heavy rainfall in the upper catchment area. The water level of the Yamuna reached 205.75 meters at Delhi ka old railway bridge on Tuesday morning, surpassing the danger mark of 205.33 meters. The increasing water level in the river is posing a risk of flooding in the low-lying parts of the city. Access education personalization to shape retail investing. रिलीजियस पढ़ना चाहिए था. टोयोटो किर्लोस्कर इन टीम इंडिया रेस. This comes after Dream 11 withdrew from its sponsorship following the government ban on the real money gaming through the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act 2025. Toyota Kirloskar Motor, the joint venture between Japan Toyota Motor Corporation and India का Kirloskar Group, is exploring the possibility of becoming Team India का lead sponsor, according to two people familiar with the matter. This comes after Dream 11 withdrew from its sponsorship. Of course, the government ban कर दिया है. New hope for breast cancer fight. Opening bell. Jio IPO may be India का biggest ever. जियो का आ रहा है तो होना ही चाहिए. MOSL has thus valued रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज का स्टेक इन JPL एट $7.191 ट्रिलियन रुपीस और $90 बिलियन. JPL का एंटरप्राइज वैल्यू EV इक्विटी प्लस डेप्ट हैज़ बीन पेच्ड एट $151 बिलियन by the domestic brokerage. Reliance Jio public listing planned for the first half of next year. अगले साल के पहले ईयर में ही ऐसा कर देंगे. फर्स्ट हाफ मतलब अगस्त के महीने में पहले तक हो जाएगा जियो का, रिलायंस जियो का पब्लिक लिस्टिंग. यह कुल वेल बी इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट एट 30,000 करोड़ का, अकॉर्डिंग टू ब्रोकरेज मोतीलाल ओसवाल के थ्रू, which has pegged the equity value of the holding company JPL. By call of 40 Motilal Oswal upgraded Phoenix Mills to buy targeted stock to watch set bell. Set Bell, United Breweries, UPL, Indraprasth Gas, NMDC and NTPC Green are among the stocks. जानकारी तो आएगी नहीं, इतना कम. CEO cautious on capex revival. पढ़ लेते हैं. When asked about sectors that will drive performance in the coming quarters, the consensus leaned heavily toward domestic industries. Indian chief executives remain cautious about the prospects of a strong revival in private investment, even as the economy posts robust growth, according to a Dipstick survey of 14 business leaders. Dixon tops इंडिया का स्मार्टफोन आउटपुट. Foxconn on high. Apple का iPhone maker grow its share from 13% in question to CY 2024 to 19% this year, catapulted by ballooning iPhone exports to the US. Led by Dixon Technologies, India home-ground smartphone electronic manufacturing services players and Amadeus, once laggard in a market dominated by global giant and initially unable to qualify for incentives under the production link incentive scheme for mobile devices, and Amadeus have captured a record 36% of total smartphone production. LinkedIn में क्या है? We are a top candidate. This company latest retail location combines the Genius Bar. Apple previews a new retail location, Apple का Hibbal, in India with a combined Genius Bar and pickup counter layout. The store is located at the Phoenix Mall of Asia in Bengaluru, spans 8,000 square feet and is staffed by 70 employees from across India. Staffed means, चलो इसमें कॉपी हो सकता है ना. हाँ, सर्च में जाओ, स्टेफर्ड बताओ। स्टेफर्ड स्टाफ ही होता है। पास्ट टेंस स्टेफर्ड, पास्ट प्रिंसिपल स्टेफर्ड, कर्मचारी रखना, कर्मचारी मतलब स्टाफ। जब सत्तर एम्प्लॉयज़ रखे हैं या रखेंगे या रखे थे ऐसा। एप्पल का हिप्पल इज़ द फर्स्ट लोकेशन टू फीचर अ यूनिफाइड जीनियस बार एंड पिक अप counter design, merging technical support and online order collection services. To mark the occasion, Apple released exclusive wallpaper and an Apple Music playlist themed around the store design, with the store opening to the public on September 2. I am a machine learning engineer at Amazon who anticipated the machine learning boom. Here my advice for staying ahead. Suvender Mohanty, a machine learning engineer at Amazon, transitioned from software engineering to machine learning after anticipating a boom in the field. He emphasized the importance of staying innovative in coding to remain competitive in the job market. Mohanty utilized online resources, participated in the hackathon, and volunteered for machine learning projects to gain exposure and experience in the field. He advises individuals to seek opportunities within their current roles to transition into machine learning, emphasizing the need to stay updated on industry trends and innovation. Portfolio worthless. Today paper, SEO can become a guide to inclusive world order. PM. Orange alert in Gurugram. IMD issued orange alert in Gurugram on Tuesday. Okay. Gurugram saw 100 mm of rainfall on Monday. The city administration has asked corporate offices and private institutions to urge their staff to work from home and asked schools to organize online classes. The District Disaster Management Authority, Gurugram, reported over 100 mm of rainfall in the city between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Monday. Nikal, the India Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for the city for Tuesday. आज के लिए क्या हटा हटवे रिलायंस जियो मे बी इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट 30,000 करोड़, ये तो पढ़ लिए हैं. सीड ओवरसीज पुश सी टू इन्वेस्ट 171 million in Sri Lanka after competing Camso acquisition, usage of road retail. The company massive 870 करोड़ investment will create 600 jobs and will revolutionize screen protector. वैष्णव यानी IT मिनिस्टर ना, वैष्णव शायद तक. हाँ, वैष्णव इनॉग्रेट ऑप्टिमस टेम्पर्ड ग्लास फैक्ट्री इन टेलिंग 870 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट. ना बुलाया क्या? नहीं, मेरे को नहीं बुलाया. Optimus Infracom inaugurated a tempered glass factory involving an initial investment of 70 crore of production of Rhinotech screen protector using Corning glass. The factory phase 1 has an installed capacity of 25 million units per year, creating jobs for 600 individuals. Phase 2 plans to scale up to 200 million units with an additional 800 crore investment. Nirmala Sitharaman urged Alliance Unity to bring NDA to power in Tamil Nadu in 2026, while Vaishnav emphasized the growth of Optimus in the electronic manufacturing sector. The company intends to increase its research team from 40 to 400 and is set to produce advanced screen protectors domestically for both local and global markets by the end of the year. ये ग्रोथ वाला अंत में पढ़ता हूँ. Microsoft unveiled a groundbreaking voice AI training model, next generation top candidate. IBM and NASA have built an AI model to predict solar flares. ये फिर वो कोट वाला. IBM and NASA has collaborated to create Surya, an AI model for predicting solar flares and storms that could disrupt technology on Earth. Surya has shown a reported 16% improvement in flare classification accuracy and is the first open source foundation model for solar physics. The AI model processes 9 years of solar imagery from NASA का solar का dynamics observatory and aims to provide forecast for solar activity. Surya offers high-resolution visual prediction of solar flares up to 2 hours in advance, potentially aiding in preparation for affected infrastructure on Earth. एक बार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग PMI 17 ईयर हाई, अडानी पावर टू बिल 10,500 करोड़ थर्मल प्लांट. MP में थर्मल प्लांट बनेगा यानी नौकरी जगेगी, यानी नौकरी का अंदाज़ा, नौकरी लग सकती है आम लोगों की. स्मार्ट देवा की नहीं, स्मार्ट देवा की तो लगने से रही. ये गेनर हैं, ये लूजर हैं. इनके market Nifty 50 throughout the day and close in green. The positive sentiment have been due to the strong Q1 GDP data, rise in major auto stocks due to the good auto sales data, and Prime Minister Modi attending the SEO summit in China. All sector stock rose except for the media stock and pharma stocks. Auto stocks and consumer durable stocks rose the most. Global market, US market fell. Asian market showed a mixed trend. News. India का manufacturing PMI rose to a 17-year high of 59.3 in August versus 59.1 in July. This means that manufacturing activity grew more in August than in July. इंडिया का ग्रॉस GST कलेक्शन इंक्रीज्ड 6.5% ईयर ऑन ईयर टू ₹1.86 लाख करोड़ in August versus 1.96 lakh crore in July. The number of UPI transactions rose over 2,000 crore in August. The total transaction amount of rose 21% year on year to ₹24.85 lakh crore. NPCI Leap India applied for IPO. Adani Green operationalized solar power capacity of 125 megawatt at Khavda, Gujarat through a company subsidiary. Bharat Electronics received rupees 644 crore worth of order for data center, ship fire control system, tank navigation system, etc. TVS Motors gave shareholder 4 bonus non-convertible redeemable preference shares NCRPS. non कहाँ था NCRPS यानी नॉन convertible redeemable preference shares for every one equity share maturing in September 2026 with coupon rate 6% per annum. Ashok Leyland will invest. अरे पैर के नीचे. अशोक लेलैंड will invest 5,000 करोड़ 5,000 करोड़ over 7 से 10 year in next generation battery manufacturing in India for both automotive and non-automotive application. It has partnered with China का Caleb Group for the same. Adani Power won a letter of award from MP का पावर मैनेजमेंट कंपनी to build and 800 मेगावाट अल्ट्रा सुपर क्रिटिकल थर्मल प्लांट इन अनूपपुर। अनूपपुर तो यहाँ पास ही में यार, 1 घंटे में अनूपपुर पहुँच जाऊँगा मैं, मध्य प्रदेश। एट अ कॉस्ट ऑफ 10,500 करोड़। पहले फटाफट नौकरी लग जाती, नहीं मेरी नौकरी कैसे लगती है, मटर स्मार्ट देवा, मेरी नौकरी लग ही नहीं सकती। सबकी नसीब में सब कुछ ही ना होता है। टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स TDS. What is TDS? What are TDS? Tax deducted at source. It is a way to collect tax directly from the source of income. When you receive income like salary, bank interest, etc., the payer deducts a fixed percentage before giving it to you. This deducted amount is deposited with the government as your tax. The rate of tax deducted at source depend on the type of payment. Later, when you file your income tax return and ITR money income tax return and tax TDS, tax deducted at source is adjusted against your total tax. If extra tax was deducted, you can claim a refund. लगे ये भी पलिया थीम शेयर होल्डर का मीटिंग डे 1 जो आखिरी ना फीचर क्वेश्चन दिए हैं क्या पढ़ लेंगे। चलो देखते हैं। इन दिस वीक कोर्स वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट AGM यानी शेयर होल्डर मीटिंग होगी शायद कोई आर नाउ and how they can benefit shareholder. Companies are required to hold annual general meeting. This is a meeting of all the shareholders of a company. When you buy share of a company, you become a shareholder and have the right to attend this meeting. Earlier, these meetings were mostly held in person at designated location. Now these are held mostly online or hybrid, online plus offline at the same time. This change allows more investors to attend a meeting and vote on crucial matters. It is a good opportunity for shareholders to meet the senior management of the company, ask questions, know the company better and contribute to major decisions. लगे पर फ्यूचर क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ के ख़त्म कर दिया जाए। क्या है? Yesterday Grow explained about fresh issue of shares. Please explain how a company creates new shares. It must be by splitting existing share. If not, then the shareholding ratio of existing investor will change, or they also get new shares to maintain their holding ratio. Fresh issue means brand new shares are created by the company. This does not involve splitting existing shares. Yes, the holding ratio or percentage ownership of all shareholders is lowered proportionately every time fresh shares are created. Example, company ABC has 90,000 shares total. Out of this, 70% are owned by individual investors, 63,000 शेयर्स, 10% आर ओन बाई एम्प्लॉयज़ 9,000 शेयर, 20% आर ओन बाई फाउंडर्स या प्रमोटर्स 18,000 शेयर. Now this company decides to raise money by selling shares. Fresh issue. They need this money for future growth and expansion. They decide to create 10,000 new shares. This matter goes into voting. The shareholders and or the board approve this decision. The 10,000 new shares are created and sold to a large investor called XYZ Investment. So now there are total of 1 lakh shares of this company. The ownership percentage will change. The new ownership percentage or ratio are as follow: 63,000 करोड़ शेयर्स आर ओन बाय इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टर्स, यानी 70 से डायरेक्ट 63% आ जाता है, मतलब 70 63%। और 9,000 से जो एम्प्लॉय था वो 10 से 9%, और 18,000 जो प्रमोटर के पास था वो आ गया 20 से 18%। और 10,000 शेयर्स आर ओन बाई XYZ इन्वेस्टमेंट 10%। जिस पर सबसे ज़्यादा 70% है उसी को सबसे ज़्यादा काटा। The money raised from this sale of fresh shares goes to the company and must be used for the stated purpose. यहाँ पे पर्पस मतलब ग्रोथ के लिए सब कुछ। It does not go to the founder या promoters or any shareholders. हो गया, यूज़ खत्म ना।